Hey friends, today I am going to tear down the Pigeon brand induction oven. It is having the function key problem. The function key is not working. It is of a Rapido Qt model. So let's check it out. So decrement and increment keys are working properly, but function key is not working. You can see when I am pressing it hardly, sometimes it works, but the rest of all are good. Sometimes I am facing problem with the decrement key, but function key is totally gone. So in this video I will check it out by opening this induction oven. So let's open it up. So while opening the upper and the lower part, you need to check out the cable connection. You can see there is one white cable which is connected from the upper part and the lower part. So you need to secure the cable first. Put the induction stove in such a way so that cable didn't get damaged, and open up the control panel PCB. Okay, fine, it's done now. Turn it up slowly. So this is the control panel PCB, but it is too dirty. I think this is because of previously it is having a lot of cockroaches inside this induction stove. So I have to clean the board first. Let's fast forward this process, but do not apply too much pressure while cleaning in the board. It may damage the components. So this is the power button and the function key. This is the 7-segment display board. So let's put it in a way so that you can understand which key belongs to which function. So the first one is the power key, then function. This is the increment key, this is decrement key, this is toggle key, this is timer. Toggle key means you can toggle it between voltage or watt, whatever you want to display on the display board. You can toggle it from the toggle key. So this is the key which is having problem, the function key. And these are the tactile switches which is having 4 terminals. Basically 2 terminals are sorted inside the key, means there are 4 terminals. 2 terminals on each side is internally linked. So I have desoldered it with the help of soldering iron, and here I will check the continuity of this switch. So as I told you, 2 terminals are connected internally, means on the both side of the switches. So here it is, the upper 2 terminals and the lower 2 terminals are connected internally. But while we are pressing the switch, both the upper terminal and lower terminal getting connected and pass the current. So these are the 4 terminals, and so these 2 terminals are connected internally, and the same on this side, these 2 terminals are also connected internally. So let's open it up and check. Generally we can replace the switch, but this time I am not having another switches. Actually these are very cheap switches, I mean very cheap, but right now I am not having another switch, so I will just check the switch from inside. So you can see the circular metallic pad. It is a parabolic, or you can say it is a curved pad, which is once get pressed in the center creates the connection to flow the current. So let's check it out. And this is the internal view of switch. So you can see the two metallic pads on the both side. Those two are getting connected to pass the current. So I will once check it for its continuity. It means the sorted terminals. So these terminals are not sort. So these two terminals are sorted internally, and same thing on the other side. These two are also sorted internally. So the problem occurs here in the metallic pad. It is having some corrosion. It is corroded since induction is 1 year old. So after cleaning it corrosion, or you can do it with sandpaper, but make it very shiny. If it gets shiny, then it will work. Definitely it will work. You need to remove all the corrosion from that pad. So now fix it up. Generally these switches didn't get properly fixed up, but I'm trying to make it fix. You can apply glue or Fevikwik, the adhesive, the strong adhesive, but remember, don't apply too much, it may jam the switch. So now time to solder it. Okay, so like this you need to solder all the 4 terminals of the switch. Now again test it for its continuity. Okay, you can touch any of the 2 terminals, so it's working fine. Okay, so now we will fix up the control panel PCB on the upper chassis. Okay, it's done. I have already screwed all the screws on the back side of the induction stove, so let's check it out. You can see how smoothly function key is working. Decrement key is also working fine, and function key, especially the function key, is working very smoothly. So everything is working properly now. Thank you for watching video, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel for the latest update.